And again, welcome to another tropical update from Major Hurricane Center. Again, folks, as stated, we'll be doing multiple videos, multiple updates this evening. We do have quite a bit to discuss about, not only with our Major Hurricane Helene, but also our other systems out there. We will be coming back to another update on Helene a little bit later, but the next couple of video updates will be on our other systems, and we do have a few to discuss about. So, getting to it, we are closely monitoring what is now Tropical Storm Isaac, or has been Tropical Storm Isaac. And again, we go back to our wide map here, wide satellite imagery here, and just to show you here, again, this is our Major Hurricane Helene here. This is going to be our next system we're going to watch for the Caribbean. And our Tropical Storm Isaac is the system up here. Of course, we got another system that we're monitoring here, 98L. We do also have a tropical wave that we're monitoring here and about two other waves that we're tracking that's over Western Africa. So again, a lot of systems we are watching. So getting into our Tropical Storm Isaac here, folks. Again, as of the advisory, and again, this is a little bit earlier advisory. We would be getting another advisory here fairly soon. But again, as of the earlier advisory, 37.351.7, about 1,345 miles west of the Azores, about 820 miles east-northeast of Bermuda. Maximum sustained winds there at 50 miles per hour. The movement is to the east at 12 with a pressure of 997 millibars. And so, folks, for our tropical storm here, we are expecting a general eastward motion to east-northeastward motion. What we could see here is as it gets over the northeastern Atlantic, we could see this turn a bit more northerly and eventually getting into impacting, say, maybe the Iberian Peninsula, maybe a bit further north towards the UK. So we're going to be needing to watch this very, very closely as we go. Also, as you may note, we are expecting that Isaac will become a hurricane as we get into the weekend here. We are expecting that it will become a hurricane as we go forward. So, of course, by the time it gets into the far northeastern Atlantic and towards the United Kingdom, the system would be starting to transition out into an extratropical cyclone. But nevertheless, impacts, notable physical impacts will be felt across portions of the Iberian Peninsula there, Portugal, Spain, parts of the western France coast, and then on to the United Kingdom. And again, just running the forecast guidance here on our system, and we could see here, let me clear that for you, we can see, again, the tracks off towards the east-northeast, but we are seeing again more of the tracks coming up to the north a bit before coming across, and that is something we're going to have to look for, especially across the Republic of Ireland and the United Kingdom for potential direct impacts there. Again, rather than what we saw earlier in the guidance, which was a track more southerly and then coming up as such. So we're going to be watching that closely as we go forwards. Again, just going back and running through here, again, tropical storm force winds extend outwards 70 miles from the center, and the pressure again estimated there at 997 millibars. We do note here, folks, that large swells generated by Isaac, as well as a large wind fetch from a deep layer trough, is affecting the coast of Bermuda, and we could be seeing again some of that affecting the Azores as well. as we go forwards in time. Eventually, of course, we're going to be needing to talk about a bit about UK and Iberian Peninsula impacts as we go forward. Of course, that being a more of a non-tropical or extratropical or partial tropical impacts there to the UK. So we'll be watching that closely here, folks, and we'll have some further updates on our tropical storm Isaac. Again, folks, this is a short little update here. Not too much to discuss with Isaac at this point in time. We'll have more as we go forwards. For now, that is the update here on Isaac from the Cayman Hurricane Center.